Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a job portal and a job board website in WordPress. Let me show you the basic structure of the job portal website that I have created using the WordPress. Here, I'm on the home page of the website. At the top, we have the banner section, and on the banner section, we have the search box. So the candidates will be able to search for the jobs on the banner itself. Then below that, we have different categories. You can customize the categories. You can add number of categories. Below that, we have featured jobs. It will show the list of all the featured jobs. It is a grid layout. You can change the layout. You can make it listings layout also. Here we have shortlist icon. So the candidate will be able to shortlist this job or view the job. In order to shortlist the job, the candidate or the visitor will need to sign up to your website. Then only they will be able to shortlist the jobs, and it will show the list of all the shortlisted jobs in their profile. So this is the list of featured jobs. Below that, we have an option to register as candidate or register as employer. Then we have some content, and below that we have pricing plans. So you can create different packages, and employer will be able to buy the packages and they will be able to publish the jobs according to the package that they buy. Here in this example, I have created a basic package which is free, and in the free package the employer will be able to publish one job, and that will be a feature job. They can edit the job listing, they can manage the application, and the job will be listed for 30 days and they will get premium support. The next option is the standard job package for $30, and in that they can publish 10 jobs. All the 10 jobs will be featured. They will be able to edit the jobs and they will be able to manage the applications. So this is for the employer. If you want, you can make it completely free for candidates as well as employers, and you can earn using the ads on your website. So you can create a website and apply for Google AdSense and start earning money from Google AdSense. So you need to generate traffic on your website, and once you get traffic, you will be able to monetize it using Google AdSense. So this is another way of generating income from this website. In this example, we are going to create job packages and we are going to sell the job packages to the employers. They will buy the job package and they will publish the jobs on your website. Below that, we have footer. Then we have different types of listing. This is the jobs listing. This page will show all the jobs which are available. So the candidates will be able to see their jobs. In the left hand panel, we have filter option. So let's say if I want to see the jobs which are for the freelancers, I can select this option, and it will show the list of jobs for the freelancers only. Then we have full-time option. If I select full-time, it will show the list of all the jobs for the full-time. Then we have different categories. I can select the categories to filter, then industries, experience, then gender, qualification, language, and salary. So these are the filter options on the jobs page. We have map option. If you want, you can disable the map. I'll show you how you can customize this page, how you can remove the filter. You can remove the map or you can show the map. So this is fully customizable. You can customize the layout of jobs page. Next page is candidates page. It will show the list of all the candidates. This is the grid layout. This is for the employers. They can select the candidates from here. Here we have filter option for the candidates also. They can filter using their experience or qualification, and the employer will also be able to contact the candidates directly. They just need to shortlist them and then they can contact the candidates also. Then we have employers page. On this page, you will see all the employers listed. Again, we have filter option here, and if candidate wants to contact the employer, they can contact the employer also. Again, they need to register or sign up to your website in order to contact these employees. So this is the basic structure of the website. Now let me log in as a candidate and let me show you the dashboard of the candidate. Here I'm logged in as the candidate, and at the top I have the option to see the profile. So we are on the profile page of the candidate. Here you will see the title, job category, first name, last name. So the candidate will need to fill up all this information so that the employer will be able to see the details. This is the description, then social media links. If the candidate has YouTube video of their profile, they can add the link of the YouTube video or the Vimeo video, then phone number, email, website, country, city, address. So these are the basic details of the candidate. Below that we have other information, and in the other information we have experience, languages, the current salary and the expected salary, qualification of the candidate, and the age of the candidate. So candidate will need to fill up all this information and update it. Then we have a resume. In this section, they can add their information. For example, education. If they want to add education, they can simply click on add more information, then add the qualification, a date from, date to, institute, and the description. For example, we have one qualification here. The college is also there. Below that, we have experience. If the candidate has experience, they can add their experience here. Then skills, they can add the skills here. Then percentage of the skills can also be added. Then awards, they can add the awards and works. Then we have favorite jobs. So this is the list of all the jobs which are shortlisted by this candidate. See here, I'm logged in as a candidate, and if I want to shortlist, I can simply click on shortlist, and this job will be shortlisted and it will be shown here under favorite jobs. This is for the candidates. Applied jobs, it will show the list of all the jobs for which this candidate has applied. Then we have job alerts. If there is any new job in that particular category, it will send the job alert to the candidate. Then we have CV and cover letter. Here, the candidate will be able to upload their CV and add the cover letter here. Then we have change password and the logout. So this is the entire dashboard for the candidates. Now I'm going to log in as employer here. And this is the dashboard of the employer who is going to publish the job on your website. This is the profile. Here the employer can upload their company logo. This is company name and the category of their profession. Then description, social media links, YouTube video link, Vimeo link. If they have YouTube video, they can add it here. Phone number, email, website, country, city, and address. Below that, we have other information, when it was established, what is the team size, and the business type. For the business type, we have different options. Again, you can customize these options. You can add different fields for the business type also. So this website is going to be fully customizable. Then we have manage jobs. Here the employer will be able to manage the jobs. They can publish new jobs or they can edit the jobs that they have already published. In order to publish the jobs, they will need to buy the package. In this example, we have created different packages, and currently this employer has bought the free package which has only one listings here. So you will see one listing here. If they want to add more jobs, they can click on post new job, and from here they can add more jobs. So you will see job title, description, the job type, and experience. All this information they need to simply select from the drop down. Again, these drop downs can also be customized. You can add different options in these drop down boxes. Then we have select package. Currently this employer does not have any package. He has one package which is already used for one job posting. So if this employer wants to publish more jobs, then they will need to buy a new package. Manage packages. Here you will see the list of packages that they have. Again, this employer has only one package, that is the free package. One job is already used. Here you will see applications. If the candidate apply for the jobs, it will show the list of all the applications here. They can go to the application, they can review the application, and then they can set the meeting and contact the candidates accordingly. So this is the dashboard of the employer. So employer will be able to post the jobs and the candidates will be able to apply for these jobs. So this is the basic structure of the job portal website. To create this website, I'm going to use the premium theme from MonsterONE platform. I have the subscription of MonsterONE platform, and I can download unlimited themes and plugins from the MonsterONE platform. MonsterONE is a platform by Template Monster, and it is a monthly subscription. So you can go for the monthly subscription and you can download unlimited themes, plugins, templates, graphics, presentation templates, HTML templates, CMS templates, video, audio, and 3D models. So all these digital products are available on subscription basis. Let me show you the pricing here. If you want WordPress themes and plugin, then you can go to all-in-one package, which will cost you $14.10 per month, which is $169 per year, in which you will get access to all these digital products. And there are more than 416,000 digital products that you can get for a monthly subscription. If you are looking for WordPress themes and plugins, you will see that there are more than 4,600 themes and plugins available, and you will get access to all these themes and plugins. So here I have searched for job board themes, and I can see the list of themes which are available to create job portal and job board website. So I'm going to use one of these themes and I'm going to create the website for job portal. If you do not want to go for a monthly subscription, you can also look for the same theme in templatemonster.com. Here I have searched for same job board theme, and I can see some themes available on templatemonster.com, and themes are available for $49 or $69 or $59. So if you're looking for only the theme, then you can go for templatemonster.com and get the theme from templatemonster.com. And if you're looking for multiple themes and plugins and access to all these digital products, then you can go for MonsterONE subscription plan and get access to all these digital products. So in this video, I'm going to download a premium theme from MonsterONE platform. I'll show you how you can install the theme, how you can import the demo content so that you do not need to create a website from scratch. We are going to import the demo content, and I'll show you how you can customize the entire website, how you can change the layout of the website, and how you can create the job packages. So let's see how you can create the job portal and job board website using a premium theme from MonsterONE.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and now we are going to install a theme to create a job portal or job board website in WordPress. And for that I'm going to use MonsterONE. So I'm going to look for a theme in MonsterONE and I'm going to use that theme. Let's search for job board, and we are going to search for this product in WordPress. So hit enter and you will see the list of themes and plugins related to this particular search query. So here you will see the list of all themes and Elementor kits that you can use to create a job portal or job board website. You will see themes here. This is the job board theme. This is also a theme. If you want to see the live demo, you can click on live demo. Let's consider this one. Let's take this one also. All right, so this theme has 3 different demos. So let's view this one. And this is the job portal theme, the live demo. Are you looking for a job? And you will see product categories, 200 plus new and random jobs, list of jobs here. So this is how this particular theme will look. This is the second theme. This one also has different categories, then listing of jobs, candidate or employer. You can also create pricing packages for employers so that they can buy the package and they can post the jobs on your website, or you can make it completely free to all candidates and employers. So this one also looks good. Let's look at the next one. Join us and explore 12,000 plus job. This is how it will look. This is the listing of jobs. All right, if you want to see more details, you can simply click on details for this one, this one. Let me close all the other windows. So these are the details of this theme, Creativia, job board and job portal WordPress theme. It is using Elementor and WordPress. And these are the similar themes. If you go to show more, you will see all the features of this theme. Let's go to this one. This one shows 3 home layouts. You will be able to create 3 different types of layouts, 3 types of job listing styles. So different job listing styles are there. User dashboard is there. And these are the features: powerful theme panel, job submission, shortlisted jobs, SEO optimized, PayPal integration is there, and it is using WooCommerce support. Let's try another one. Let's look for this one. All right, this one also looks good, and these are the features: blog, post to job, candidate dashboard, job dashboard, WP Job Manager plugin with add-ons is available there. All right, so you can look for different themes here on MonsterONE and use the theme that you think is good for your website design. In this case, I'm going to download this one. I think this one looks good, so let's go to this one. This is the one, JExpress. All right, and I have the subscription of MonsterONE, so I'm going to use this theme. If you do not want monthly subscription and if you are looking for only theme, then you can go to Template Monster and search for the similar theme here. Let's say job board WordPress theme, and look for job board WordPress theme, and you will see the same theme is also available on Template Monster, and the pricing of this theme is $49 only. So if you are looking for only theme, you can go to templatemonster.com, search for the WordPress theme for job portal or job board website. You will get list of all the themes. You can buy a single theme also. I'll give you the links in the description box if you want to subscribe to the MonsterONE subscription plan, or if you want to download themes from Template Monster, use my links in the description box. So I'm going to download this theme and I'm going to install this theme, and I'll show you how you can create the job board website using this theme. So let's go back to the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a completely new installation. Let me open the home page, and this is how it will look. This is the basic WordPress installation. If I go to appearance, you will see the theme that I'm using on it. So currently it is using 2024 theme, and if I go to plugins, there are no plugins installed. To create this demo website, I'm using InstaWP platform. Using InstaWP platform, you can create demo WordPress website to show your clients, or if you want to learn how the WordPress works, you can use the InstaWP platform. They do have free plan. You can use the free plan to create a temporary WordPress website. I have already published a separate video on how to use InstaWP platform. I'll give you the links in the description box if you want to create a demo or temporary WordPress website using InstaWP. So let's go to plugins, and you will see that I do not have any plugin installed. So we are going to start with installation of the theme that we have downloaded from the MonsterONE. So let's go back, go to appearance and go to themes. Click on add new theme. I have already downloaded the theme, so I'm going to upload the theme. Click on upload theme and click on browse. I have it on desktop. So when you download the theme, you will get a package there. You need to unzip it, and when you unzip it, you will see all these options are available inside the main package. This is the theme, this is sample data, this is information about licensing, and this is the documentation. How to use the theme, how you can install it, and how you can change the settings of the theme are given inside the documentation. I'll show you the documentation also. First, we are going to install the theme. So select the theme. You will see a zip file, that is JXPress. You do not need to unzip the theme file. You can just browse it as it is and click on install now. So it is now installing the basic theme. Meanwhile, let me show you the package that we have downloaded. So this is what we have inside the package. If I open documentation and if I open index, you will see the basic documentation of this theme: introduction, importing theme and demo content, manage menu, set home page. So all these settings are available inside the documentation. You just need to open this index.html and it will give you the instruction on how to use this theme. Let's go back. All right, so the theme file is uploaded. Now click on activate theme. You will see a message here: this theme requires the following plugins, and you will see the list of plugins. We need to install all these plugins, so you can click on this option here, begin installing plugins. So now it is going to install all the required plugins. Select this option and select all the plugins. Click on the drop down and select install. Click on apply. Now we are installing the list of all the plugins here. All right, it says the plugins are installed. Now click on return to required plugins installer. All the plugins are installed. Now we need to activate all those plugins. So select all and click on activate. Click on apply. All right, so all the plugins are installed and activated. Now click on return to dashboard. This plugin is using a WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin which will help you create e-commerce website using WordPress. And here we are selling the product. We are going to create a package for job listing, and that's why we need the WooCommerce. And this is the basic setup wizard of WooCommerce. We are going to skip the guided setup. We just need to select the country here. So I'm going to select the country. Let's select United States. Whichever country you have, you can select the country, and I'm going to select New York and click on go to my store. All right, so the basic WooCommerce is already installed. Now we are on the dashboard and you'll see different options are added in the left hand panel. You will see JExpress setting. This is nothing but the theme settings. Then we have jobs, applications, alerts, contacts, custom footers, testimonials, and this is for the WooCommerce products. Analytics, appearance. Under appearance you will see theme options, and under tools you will see different tools here. All right, now if I refresh the home page, you will see the home page will also change. You will see the home page is also changed. Now we need to import the demo content for this website. We are not going to create from the scratch. There is an option to import the demo content so that it will look like this website. If I go to live website, let me close all the other tabs and let's use this demo. We need to create a website similar to this, so we are not going to do it manually. We will import the demo content from the theme files. Okay, now let's go to the documentation here and you will see the import demo content feature is different for each and every theme. You need to figure out how to import the demo content for a particular theme. In many cases you will see option under appearance to import the demo content. You will see something like that, import demo content, or you will see theme options. Go to theme options. So we are on the theme options and somewhere here you will see an option to import the demo content. Again, it will not be same for all the themes. Many themes will have only one click installation for the demo content. In many cases you need to import the demo content manually. See, if I go to documentation here, it says we need to activate the WordPress importer to import the demo content, and the demo content is already given inside the package. Let's go to the package here. You will see sample data, and under sample data you will find the demo content. So this is the file that we have downloaded. Under that we have sample data, and these two files will be required to import the demo content. So let's go to dashboard and let's go to import export here. So I do not see any option here. So let's go to tools here. We are looking for this option here, WordPress importer, that is a plugin to import the WordPress. So if I go to import, you will see an option here, WordPress. So this is a WordPress importer. Click on install now and click on run importer. All right, so it is installed. Now we need to browse the file which is inside the demo content. This one, we need to select this file, the XML file. You will see it needs the XML file. So I'm going to click on browse and go to the folder. Then we have sample data, and this is the XML file that I'm going to open, and click on upload file and import. All right, so it says assign author. So different authors are already created inside this demo content. So I'm not going to make any changes here. I'm going to leave it as it is. Select this option, download and import file attachments, and click on submit. It is going to take some time. All right, so it has already imported the demo content. Now let's go to the documentation again and let's see the next step here. Under tools you will see this option, it says. So let's go to dashboard and go to tools. Under tools you will see this option, import and export users and customers. So click on it. Here in this theme we need to import the demo manually. In many cases you don't need to do it manually. You just need to click on one button and it will import all the demo content automatically. Here it says browse the CSV file. This is the CSV file that is inside the sample data package. So let's click on browse and browse this file. Then it says here, it says update existing users. Click yes. So we need to make that change here, update existing user. Let's change it to yes and click on start importing. All right, so it seems that it has imported the demo content. Let's go to the dashboard and let's refresh it. All right, so you can see that the home page has been changed. It shows the blog page here. So we need to make that change. Let's go to the dashboard, go to settings here and click on reading. All right, so it is set to latest post. So I'm going to select a static page, and if you click on the drop down box you will see an options there to select the home page. So we have got all the demo content here, and it has already created pages on your WordPress website. So we need to select one of the home page as the main page. You will see a list of all the pages created here. Total pages are 46. So I'm going to select home page. You will see list here. Let's select this default home page, and for the blog I'm going to select the blog page. All right, let's click on save changes. So we have assigned a home page here. All right, and click on view site, and let's see now how the home page looks. All right, so this is how the home page looks. Now we can also change. There are different home pages that we can use. All right, so you will see all the content on the home page. However, we do not see the menu bar here. We need to select the menu also. So let's go to dashboard, go to appearance, and go to menus. We will first select the menu, and you will see different menus here. I'm going to select main menu. All right, so this is how the main menu is. If I scroll down, let's make it primary menu, which will be shown here. Click save menu. All right, let's refresh it. Okay, now you will see the menu bar at the top, and all the pages are there. This is the default home page. Let's check out the second home page, that is home 2. And this is how the home 2 will look. And let's go to home 3. And this is how the home 3 page will look. You will see the job listings here. So you can select one of the home pages and make that one as the main page or the landing page of your website. I'm going to select home 2 as the landing page. So let's go to settings and click on reading, and from the drop down select home 2 as the home page and save the changes. Okay, and let's go back to menu again. We will clear some menu. Here it shows 3 different home pages. I do not need that, so I'm going to use this home 2 as the main page. Let's drag it and drop it at the top, and let's delete the other 2 pages or the 3 pages. All right, and name it as home. All right, so we have got home page. Then we have browse jobs, and for the jobs we have list view, grid view, and the job page. Okay, if I go to list view, this is how it will look. In the left hand panel you will see the filters, location, name, job type, category. So these are the filters, and in the right hand side you will see the map as well as the list of some jobs there. So this is how the listing with map will look. You can have without filter, this filter will go away. Then we have without map, this map will go away. The next option is grid view with map, without filter, and without map. Let's go with grid view with map. Okay, so this is how it will look. This is a grid view. You will see instead of listing it shows grid. The other option is without filter, so all these filters in the left hand side will be removed. Then without map, this map will not be shown. And the third page is a job page, and this is the job page. You will see the job description. This is how the job page will look. That's what they have given here. All right, so if you want to show the browse jobs, if I click on browse jobs, this is the default layout. You will see map in the left hand panel, filters, and then listings. You can change this layout also. So I want only this browse jobs. I do not want all these options here. Okay, we can customize this one, and whichever layout you want, we can do that without this also. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to remove all the other options from the menu. So this is, we have browse jobs. So let's start deleting all the other options. All right, now next option is browse candidate. If I click on it, you will see the list of candidates there. Okay, and this is how it will look. In the left hand panel you have the filters again, then we have map, and below that we have listings of all the candidates. Here you will see different layouts to show the candidates. This is the list view. Currently we are on the list view with map. If you do not want map, you can select without map. If you do not want filter, then you can select without filter. Again, we have grid view and candidate details page. Let's go to grid view. This is how the grid view will look. And if I go to candidates details, you have to log in first to see the candidate profile. So we need to log in. All right, so leave it as it is. Right now we do not want the other options here, all these options. We are going to use only this option, browse candidates. So I'm going to delete the other options from the main menu. All right, now it says browse candidates. I'm going to change that, make it only candidates. Then for this one also, let's make it jobs only. Next option is browse employers who will be posting jobs on your website. If I click on it, you will see the list of all the employers. Again, there are different layouts. In the left hand panel, you will see filters, then we have map, then we have the list of all the employers here. And we have list view, grid view, and employer detail page. If I click on employer detail page, this is how the employer details page will look. Name, logo, company overview, then all these options. The contact details are also there. All right, so again, I do not want all the other options. I'm going to use only this option, browse employers. So let's delete the other options. We are deleting these options. That does not mean we cannot use this option in future. We can change the layout of this particular page also and make it look like grid view or listings view with map, without map. I'll show you. All right, so we have cleared these options. Then we have pages. Under pages, we have about us, frequently asked questions, contact us, and job packages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the contact us here, and under contact us we are going to use about us as a sub menu, then frequently asked questions and job packages will be in the main menu. Then we have, let's delete the pages. Then we have blog here. All right, so I'm going to use only the blog page, remove all the other options. All right, it is download. Now here we have download app. You do not need that. Login and sign up also do not need, because in the main menu we already have it here. All right, let's click on save menu. Let's go to home page, and now you will see all the other options or the sub menu are gone. We have the main pages here: home, jobs, candidate details, browse employers, then contact us. Under contact us we have about us, frequently asked questions, job packages, and blog. All right, we do not need this one also, so I'm going to remove that one, and let's make employers only instead of browse employers. Save it, refresh it. All right, so this one looks good, and we have sign up option here. The login option is also there. All right, now this is the home page. We can customize the home page. Before that, we will go through the settings of this theme. So let's go to dashboard. Let's go to JExpress settings, and these are the basic settings. Login or sign up page. The pages are already created. We just need to assign those pages. However, that is also already done, so we do not really need to make any changes here. The login page will be the login page which is created here. Let me change the layout here. Let's make it 60 so that 60 pages will be shown on the screen. You will see that the login page is already created, and that is what it is set up here. Then we have my account page will be dashboard. Then search result page will be browse jobs. This is from email for alert mail. You can add your admin email here. Currently it is showing the InstaWP email. You can change it to your email address. This email will be shown to the user. Then we have Google API key, map box token key is already there. Select map type will be map box. So there is a map box map used on this website, and the token key is already there. If you want to use Google Map, you can change it to Google Map and add the Google Map API key here. So I'm going to leave it as it is. It shows activate WooCommerce packages. We will check that later. Then we have candidate settings here. Hide email, hide phone, hide website link, hide address. These are the candidate settings, and here you see hide email, hide phone. So the visitor who is not logged into the website will not be able to see all the details of the candidate. Let me open this website in another browser here or in private window, so that I won't be logged into the website. Currently, while creating this website, we are already logged into the website. So let's go to the private window here and let's go to candidates. Currently we have the candidates layout where we can see the map and the filter and the list of candidates. Now if I go to one of the candidates, this is all demo data. This is not the actual data that we have created. You will see that you have to log in first to see the candidate profile. So we need to create an account. The person or the employer will need to create an account to view the details of the candidate. Right now here it shows only the basic details of the candidate. There is no phone or email of the candidate. Then go to employer settings. And these are the same employer settings. If you do not want candidate to see the employer's details without applying for the job, then you can hide those options. Then we have job settings, hide company profile, hide address, hide job, apply, hide query form. All right, let's go back and let's go to jobs here. And here you will see these are the jobs available, and the user will not be able to see these jobs without logging into the website. If I click on the job details, you will see the details here, but you will not see the company profile or the details of the company. So if you want to submit a query, you can submit that query. If you want to send a query, you can send a query. However, you won't be able to see the details of the company. So if you want to shortlist, there is an option to shortlist. However, we need to log into the website to shortlist them. All right, so these are the JExpress basic settings. Then we have jobs. This is nothing but the demo content to show the jobs on your website. We can later delete all the jobs and start adding new jobs, or the employers will start adding jobs from their end. So they will create an account on your website and they will start adding jobs from their profile. Here we have add new. If you want to manually add some jobs, you can add them. Then we have job types. These are nothing but different types of categories. Right now we have freelancer, full-time and part-time. These three types of jobs are created. If you want to add more, you can simply add the job name or the job type name here and click add new category, and that will be added here. Then we have job category. Under job categories, you will see all these categories are included. There are 25 categories here. If you want to add more categories, you can simply add the name here, slug, and select the icon. There are different options to select the icon. If you click on select icon, you will see different icons here. You can select one of these icons for that particular job category. I'll show you how does this look. If I go to home page here, you will see these icons here. All right, so this is about job categories. Then we have industries. By default, there are many different industries added. If you want to add industries, you can add different industries here. Then we have languages, and these are the languages added. You can add your language here. Salary, and for salary we have options here: 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to $20,000, 20,000 to $30,000. So you can change those options. You can add new options there. Then we have experience, the experience of the candidate, 0 to 1 year, 1 to 2 years. All these options are available. If you want more options, you can simply add new option here. Then we have gender, male, female, and other. Then qualification. Under qualification, we have different options here: associate degree, bachelor's degree, certificate, diploma, doctoral degree, master's degree. If you want to add more, you can add more options here. Again, country. Right now it is set to United States. You can also add more countries. Let's say I want to add India. So I'm going to enter name India and click on add new category, and you will see that it is added. I'll show you when you add new job how to select these options. Then we have cities. Here we have 4 different cities, and all these cities are from United States. You can add your own country, and you can add your cities from your own country. Business type. Here you will see list of all the business types: association, corporation, general, partnership, joint venture, LLC, LLLP. All these options are again available here. You can add more options. Now here, if I go to add new job, I'll show you how the job page looks. Here you can add a title for the job. Let's go to one of the jobs here. Let's go to jobs here. You will see the title, then we have logo, then we have experience, salary, posted, when it was posted, the industry, language, all these options you will see it here. Then description and company profile. Let's go to add new. You can add a job here. Let's say demo job 1. This is the title. Then we will add some short description. Let's add some dummy content here. This is for the description. Then application last date, you can, let's say 31st of May. Then you can add the address here. Then make it feature if you want to make it feature. Primary color, secondary color, excerpt is there. I'm going to add something here. Then in the right hand column, you will see different options to select for. This will be freelancer job, and this is going to be automotive category. Industries, again automotive. Then we have languages here. I'm going to select English. Then we have salary 10,000 to 20,000, experience needed. Then we have male or female or all, associate degree or bachelor's degree. Country will be United States. Then let's select the city here. Then business type will be general, partnership, and here you can add featured image. I'm going to add one of the images which is already there in the media. Let's try this one. And once you select all these options, you can publish the job. Currently I'm logged in as admin, and I'm trying to add a job as the admin. Let's click on preview, and this is how the job page will look. Here you can add the featured image, and the image will be shown here. You will see experience, salary, when it was posted, gender, language, country, everything is mentioned here, and this is the job description. All right, so this is how the job can be created as admin. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm not going to use it. All right, now let's go to pages here. Let's leave the page. Okay, we have different pages here, the jobs page, then candidates, and I'm going to edit this page. Let's go to candidates page here, and let's go to pages here on the dashboard. This is the page, browse candidates, is nothing but the candidates page. So I'm going to edit this page. I'll show you how you can change the layout. This is the current layout of this candidates page. You will see the filters in the left hand panel, then map, and then listings. Now if you want to change, make it grid, then you can change it and make it grid layout. You can also delete the map and the filter. So we are on the edit section of the candidates page, and this theme is using WP Bakery page builder, and we are going to use that one. Here you will see browse candidates is there. So this is nothing but a block created by this theme, and we are going to use different blocks to show different sections on your WordPress website. So if I click on browse candidates, and if I go to this pencil icon, that is nothing but the edit icon, you will see different options here. Map, if you do not want map, you can uncheck this map, save the changes, update it. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see that the map will be deleted. So this is how you can change the layout of any page. Let's go back, click on the pencil icon, and change the layout. Right now it is listings. If you want grid layout, simply select this option, grid view, and save the changes, update it. Done. Now click on refresh, and you will see that the listings view is now grid layout. So you can change the layout of any page. So now here you will see filter option. If you uncheck it and if you save it, this option, the filter options, will go away from this page. Let's refresh it. All right, so the filters are removed. All right, so let's get back and enable the filters. and we will keep the grid view. We will remove the map, save it. Now if you want to add other section just below this option, you can also add a new section here. Click on new, then click on section, and under the section you can add different options. Let's click on plus sign and add a row. Click on plus sign again. If you want to see the blocks that are available from the theme, you can simply search for job, and you will see all these options are created by JExpress theme. You will see this here: browse candidate, browse employers. So you can use any one of these blocks to show on your page. Let's say I want to show job search form, so I can simply select that one, and these are the options here. Save the changes and update it. Let's go back, refresh it. All right, so this is what we have. In the left hand panel we have the filters again, then we have this candidates option, and below that you will see this search option. This is nothing but the search option that we have added here, job search form. It has cities and search job. All right, so let's delete this option, delete the entire section from here. If you want to add something else, you can simply click on the plus sign and search for the required block here, and you can add those blocks on any page of your website. Right, so this is about the candidates page that we have here. Now let's do the same thing for the employer. Let's go back to pages here and look for the employer, or browse employer. It must be browse employer, this one, because we changed the name to employers instead of browse employers. Click on edit. Let's go to the current layout of the employers page, and this is how it looks. We have filters, then map, and the listings of all the employers. So here we have browse employers block. Click on the edit icon here, and let's remove the map and let's make it grid layout. Save the changes, update it. Let's go back, refresh it, and this is how it will look. Now we have the grid layout and we do not have the map at the top. Right, so this is how you can change the layout of the candidates, employers, of jobs pages. Then we have contact us page, then about us, frequently asked pages, blog. Again, for the blog also you can change the layout easily. You just need to go to that page settings and change the layout. All right, so this is all about the pages. You can delete all the pages which are not required. If you are not using any one of these pages, you can delete these pages and keep only the pages which are required. Now let's go to appearance here and go to theme options. Let's see the theme options here. These are the basic theme options. Go to general settings, disable loader. When you refresh page or when you open the website, there you will see a loader is there before loading the website. One icon will be there. So if you want to disable it, you can disable it. Otherwise, you can enable the loader option there. So I'm not going to use it. Let's disable it. Scroll to top option is there. You will see it here. Then we have 404 page. You can create a 404 page and then map this 404 page here. These are the basic general settings. Then we have logo and favicon. You have this logo here. You can change this logo. You can add your own logo here. You just need to upload your own logo. So here you will see upload option, upload the logo file, and the logo will be shown there. This is for the desktop logo, then desktop light logo, mobile light logo, and this is the favicon. So you can change all the logos from here. You can also change the width of the logo from here. So right now it is set to 150. You can change it to 200 or 250. It depends on your logo size. We have header settings, disable fixed header. If you want fixed here, you can. By default, the header is fixed at the top. If you want to disable, you can disable it from here. Sticky header on mobile. If you want sticky header on mobile, you can enable this option. Then sticky header on tablet. Hide search icon. Right now you do not have search icon here. If you want to enable it, you can simply uncheck this box, save the changes, and let's refresh it. And you will see the search icon here. Then we have header layout is default, logo position is in the left, main header background. You can change the background color if required. Show login button in the header. So this is the login button. You need to have that button here so that visitor will be able to log in as employee or candidate. Show register button in header, we do not need it because we have login and sign up option here. Let's go to page title bar. These are the title bar settings. You can change the settings on each page. Menu option, these are the typography settings for the menu. This is the menu at the top. If you want to change the size, color, you can change it from here. This is for the mobile menu. Again, you can change the color, size and the style settings from here. Typography, these are the basic typography settings for your website. You can select different font families from here. You can change the font family. Right now it is set to Roboto. You can select one of these options from here, body typography, then H1 typography, H2, H3. So these are the different style settings or the font settings for your entire website. We have color. These are the default colors: primary color, secondary color. You will see this primary color everywhere. All right, so you can change the color and new color will be shown as primary color. Body color, link color, text color is there. Then sidebar. Right now the sidebar position shows left for the entire website. If you want, you can change it to the right or no sidebar, or if you want, you can change these settings on the page itself. And we have set typography settings for the sidebar. Below that we have footer settings, and these are the basic footer settings. Again, you can change the size, the color and the style settings of the footer from here. You will see this is the color here. You will see it here. Next to that we have copyright settings. At the bottom you will see the copyright section. At the very bottom you will see it here. You can change the content from here, so you can add your own content here for the copyright. Then we have contacts on social. These are the basic settings of your website, the owner of the website. So this is the phone number, email, fax, address, website. Then we have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So you can add your social media links here. Those links will be shown here. Let's consider I want to add Facebook link. So I'm going to add the Facebook link here. Save the changes. Currently it does not show any link here. So if I refresh it, it will show the Facebook link. That is the default Facebook link that I have added here, just like this. All right, so you can change the social media links from here. Then we have blog setup. You will see the show the page title bar, load more, infinite scroll, and how many columns do you want. Right now on the blog page we have 2 columns. You can change it to 3 columns. Save the changes, refresh it, and you will see 3 columns here. This is for the single post. Show next, previous button, author info, related post. So I'm not going into the details here. These are pretty basic settings. You can play with the settings and you can change the layout of all these settings. Then we have related post, projects, email templates and app setup. Then import export, we have already gone through the import option. Now let's go to the WooCommerce section of this website, where we are going to create the packages. If you go here, job packages, you will see 3 different packages are there. $20 for 30 days, $40 for 45 days, $60 for 60 days, and 1 job posting, 10 job postings. So you can create different job packages so that employers will be able to buy the package and start publishing or posting the jobs on your website. And those packages are created in WooCommerce. So let's go to WooCommerce. This is the dashboard of the WooCommerce. You can set up your dashboard. You can set up your store here. You can add different products. Let's go to settings. We will go through the basic settings. I have published many videos on the WooCommerce settings. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. In this video, I'll give you the brief introduction to the WooCommerce settings. We need to set up your store here. We need to add your billing address and your store details so that your store will be active and you will be able to accept payment on the WooCommerce website. Right, so this is the basic setup: address line, city, postal or zip code. Then you can select your location, shipping location, In this case, we are not going to ship anything, so you can leave it as it is. Disable shipping and shipping calculation. The shop country region is also there. You need to fill up all these options here, and in order to accept the payment, you need to go to payments and add the payment gateway on your WordPress website. Alright, so by default you will see different options here: Woo payments, direct bank transfer, check payments, and cash on delivery. So I'm going to enable cash on delivery. Again, this is not the online payment gateway. I just want to enable it so that I can show you how you can enable the payment gateway. There are different options. You can enable PayPal or Stripe and Razorpay or any other payment gateway. There are many different payment gateways that you can enable on your WordPress website. I have separate videos on how to enable PayPal and Stripe and Razorpay. I'll give you the links in the description box. You need to add the plugins and you need to set up the payment gateway, and once you set up the payment gateway, enable the payment gateway and start accepting payments on your WordPress website. Then go to products here, and you will see three different products are there: basic job package, standard job package, and enterprise job package. You will see all these options here. So these products are already created. If you want to change, you can change the settings for these packages, or you can create a new one. All right, let's go to basic job package and let's make it free. Right now it shows $20. So let's go to edit. All right, so this is the title of the package. You will see the title here: basic job package, $20 for 30 days. If I go here, this is the name. If you want, you can change the name, and this is the description. You will see the description here. Then we have product data. Under product data, you need to select JExpress plan. If you are creating a new package, make sure that you select JExpress plan from here. Go to general option, and this is the price. I'm going to make it 0. And here you will see the option JExpress plan, where you can change the settings of this package. So the validity of this free package is for 30 days. Number of listings will be 1. So employer will be able to post 1 job. No featured listing. They will not be able to create a featured listing. Let's make it 1. And listing show 30 days. So it will be shown for 30 days. So this is a basic package that we are going to create. Instead of $20, I just made it free. In the right hand side, you will see product image. If you want to add image, you can add. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Click on update. Let's go to job package and refresh it, and you will see the changes here. All right, so you will see basic job package, which is $0 for 30 days, 1 job posting. All right, so here it shows 0 featured jobs because we have it here. So we can change it 1 featured job, update it, and it will be updated here. So any employer can go for the free trial here for 30 days, and they can publish 1 job. And the second option is $40 for 45 days. We can change that. Let's try changing that one. Let's go to products again. This is the standard job package. Let's go to edit. Scroll down. The JExpress plan is selected. Let's go to general and make it $30. And JExpress plan, under this plan we have 45 days. Number of listing will be 10 feature listings. Listings will be for 45 days. And this is the highlighted plan here. You will see this one is highlighted plan. Click update, refresh it. You will see the changes here. Right now it is $30 instead of $40. Right, so this is how you can create a new package, or you can edit the already added packages. You can add your own pricing there, number of listings and feature listing. You can make changes according to your requirements. So this is about the packages. Now let's go to home page and let's see how we can customize the home page. Let's go back to pages here, and we have the home page. This is the home page. The front page is nothing but the home page. So let's go to edit. So currently on the home page we have this banner, and on the banner we have this search bar. Then we have categories. Then featured jobs are there, which will be shown on the home page. Then we have 2 sections, one for the candidate and the other one for the employer. Then some information, then plans, and then we have footer. All right, so you can customize the footer. Let me show you the footer menu first. You will see this option here, custom footers. Open it. And if I go to home page, if I scroll down, if I look for footer, this is the header, sidebar, page setting and footer, you will see footer 2 is selected. So mostly on all the pages the footer 2 will be selected. So let's go to custom footers and you will see footer 2 option is there. If you want to edit the footer 2, you just need to click on edit and it will be edited. So this is the footer 2. So from here you can customize your footer, and in the footer we have different menus added. So if you want to change the menu, you can go to appearance and then menus, and you will see the menu here. This one is for employers, then for job seeker, then browse jobs. You will see it here for employers, for job seeker, information is there. So one of these, yeah, this information is there. You can select that one, and from here you can change the list of menus. So I can delete here. I can see there are duplicates. So if you want to add more pages, you can add more pages in the footer menu, or you can delete the footer menu. You will see duplicates are there. So I'm going to refresh it now. We have made some changes to the information menu, and you will see that the duplicates are gone. So let's go back to home page. So this is the home page that we are using here, and at the top we have this job search form here. Let's go to the top, job search form. This is the title, then again second title is there. Again you will see it here. This is the heading, the second heading. You will see text over 100,000 jobs are waiting for you. You will see the same text here. So if you want to customize it, you can simply click on it and add your own content or delete the content. If you want to delete that title, you can simply delete it from here, and below that we have job category. So you will see all these options on the home page, and it is very easy to customize the home page. The page or the section that you do not want, you can simply delete it from here, or you can simply edit by clicking on this icon, find jobs by categories. You will see it here, find jobs by categories. Or if you think this one is difficult, you can go to front end editor, and this is the front end editor. So you can customize it on the page itself. So you do not need to go to the edit page. You can customize it from here. So let's say I want to customize this title. I can click on this title, click on the pencil icon, and from here I can enter my own content. Or if I do not want this, I can simply click on the cross sign here and it will be removed. Now let's say I do not want this image gallery, so I can delete it. I do not want this one, I can delete it. This is how it works. Now here, this is the featured jobs. If I click on it, you will see the list of all the featured jobs. How many jobs do you want to show? 8. So it shows 8 jobs here, and list view or grid view. So the settings are also simple. This is the section, you can customize it. Then we have image here, then pricing package. This is nothing but the package. If you click on it, it will show job packages that we have created. For this one, there are no settings. It will show as it is. Once you are done with the changes, you can simply click on update and the page will get updated. Close this one. And here you will see that this section is removed. We made changes to the banner and this section is removed from the page. This is how you can customize the home page. Now I'm going to create an account as a candidate and as employer. The candidates will be able to sign up and how they can use this website. So I'm going to open this website in another browser here. So at the top you have different options, login and sign up. Let's click on sign up and you will see the sign up form there. You can sign up as candidate or you can sign up as employer. Then we have login here. You can log, if you are already a member, then you can log in using your username password. So I'm going to sign up as candidate first. Let's add a dummy information here. All right, so I have entered the password and the username. Click on sign up. All right, so it says registration is successful and we are logged into the website. In the right hand top, you will see the My Profile option. And this is the dashboard for the candidate. In the left hand panel, you will see different options: My Profile, My Resume, Favorite Jobs, Applied Job, Job Alert, CV and Cover Letter, Change Password and Log Out. All right, so under My Profile, you can select your image. Let's select the profile image. I'm going to upload one of the images from the website, and professional title will be, let's say, freelancer. Whatever your profile is there, whatever information you want to add, you can add from here. And these are the categories. This is for the candidate. You can select your category, select accounting, then this is the first name, last name. You can change the name here. Then description, I'm going to add some dummy content here. You can add the Facebook link and Twitter link, LinkedIn, then contact information. You can add your YouTube video here. If the candidate has the YouTube video, they can add the YouTube video link, or Vimeo video. Then phone number, let's add the phone number. Then email is there, website if you have website. If the candidate has website, add the website. I'm just adding some dummy content here. Country, city, I'm going to select country United States. Address, you can add the address also, and that address will be shown here. Then we have experience, you can add the experience. Languages, multiple languages can be selected. Current salary, expected salary, qualification, age, and click on update. All right, we need this field, so let's add the field also. Click on update. All right, it says profile updated successfully. Then let's go to My Resume. Okay, now here you will see the option to add different sections in your resume. First is education. You can add education here, add more education. Let's say this is your qualification and the date. Whatever date you have, you can add the date here. Institute, and add some description there, and click on add education. All right, so you will see the education is added there, qualification, date, school or college, and then edit, you can edit or you can delete that one. Then experience, you can add your experience. Let's say ABC company, date will be let's say 2020 to 2040. Let's add description, add experience. All right, you will see the experience is also added here. Then you can add skills. Skill name will be, let's say, web design, and percentage will be 99. Then add skill. If you want to add multiple, you can again add more skills. All right, and the skill is added. Then we have awards. If you have awards, you can add the awards and works. So this is about the resume. The candidate will be able to add their details here. Then favorite jobs, if you have marked some jobs as favorite, you will see the list there. Then job alerts, if you have applied for the jobs, it will show the list of jobs which you have applied for. Then CV and cover letter. Here you can upload your CV. You can select the file and upload it and add some cover letter here. All right, so this is about the candidate. So they can go to jobs here. Then I want to see the job. This is a freelancer. Let's shortlist this one. Then let's go to another one. This is a full-time. Let's shortlist this one. All right, this is shortlisted. Then go to the details of this job. All right, this is all about this job. If you have any query, you can send the query. This is the company profile. You can go to the company profile and you will see the list of similar jobs here. All right, let's go back to my profile or favorite jobs here. you will see the list of jobs which we shortlisted, or you will see this job is actually expired because this is from the dummy content or the demo content. Now I'm going to log in as employer in another browser, and we are going to create a new job there. So let's go to the website. Here I'm not logged in. I'm going to sign up, and I'm going to sign up as employer. All right, registration successful. We are going to be logged in as employer now. All right, so we are on the website. Let's go to the dashboard or go to my profile here, and you will see now we have a different dashboard here. Again, this is the company or the employer's profile, so you can add your company logo or the employer logo, then company name and the job category, some description, social media links, and phone number, email, website, country. The same settings are there. Then we have manage jobs option. Now here the employer will be able to publish the jobs. Okay, we can also manage the packages. If the employer has package, it will show the package here. So let's create a profile here. Let's name it as ABCD company. Job category will be like again accounting. Let's add some description. Let's add the Facebook link here, then video, phone number, email, website, country and city. Address, you can add the address also. Established since 2012. Team size, let's say 10. Business will be joint venture, and click update. All right, so the profile has been created. Now let's go to the job package and purchase a new job here. We have a free package here, so I'm going to buy this one. All right, so we are on the checkout page. This is nothing but the WooCommerce checkout page. We have this product added here. This is the free product, and you will see the contact information. I'm going to add some information here, and we are going to buy this one. Let's keep it as it is. I'm just adding some dummy information here, and click place order. All right, so the order has been placed, and you will see the update here. We have got one package here, or in which we can publish one job. Now let's click on post new job. We are going to add a new job here. Okay, job title will be, let's say, let's add some description here. Job type will be full-time, then accounting, salary, this one, automotive, then select candidate, let's say English, the experience 1 to 2 years, gender male, female, other, qualification bachelor's, join date will be 31st, country will be United States, select New York. Address, again I'm going to add some dummy address here, and select a package. Currently we have only one basic package which has a featured listing option, so I'm going to select this one as featured one and click on add job. The job is created successfully. Now let's go back to manage jobs. You will see that we have one job here, and this will list for next 30 days as featured listing. Then we have applications here, so leave it as it is. Now if I go to job packages, and if I want to buy new job which is a paid job, let's go to this one and click on get started. This is a paid job. Now in this case it will ask you to make a payment. In the first option we did not see the option to make a payment. Here you will see the option to make a payment. Currently we have cash on delivery. If you want to accept online payments, you will need to enable the payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe. That will be in the WooCommerce. So for the paid packages it will show the payment option. Now let's go to the candidates login. Here we are logged in as candidate. Let's go to jobs, and you will see this new listing is there. This is the listing that we have created. So I am going to click on this assistant manager. This is the title, and you will see the company profile that we created here. ABCD company. Now if I want to apply for this job, I can simply click on apply now and it will send application to the employer. So you can create different packages for the employers, and employers will be able to publish the jobs on your WordPress website, and the candidates can log into your website. They can create an account on your website and they can start applying for these jobs. You can make it free for the candidates and you can make it paid for the employers, or you can make it completely free for candidates as well as employers, and you can start earning by enabling ads on your WordPress website. I know that I have not gone through all these settings because there are many different settings and it is very easy to customize this website. You just need to play with the settings. All the settings are there. You can create different packages, you can change the layouts, you can change the color settings, and you can add your own content on your website. So if you want to create job portal website in WordPress, you can use any one of these themes. The basic setup of all these themes will remain same. You need to install it, then you need to import the demo content, and after that you need to customize the website. So if you are a website design company or freelancer looking for multiple themes, you can definitely consider MonsterONE subscription, which will cost you only $14.10 per month, in which you will be able to download unlimited themes, plugins and templates. Or if you are looking for only a single theme, you can get it from templatemonster.com. I'll give you the links in the description box. If you want to subscribe to MonsterONE platform, use my link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.